So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Sorry, a little bit late video. Why? Because this video was recorded almost 1 month ago, but I was not able to upload this video because for the first time in my life I was shifting to another city for my JEE preparation. But even I upload the vlog that was made up with SHOBHIT NIRWAN. If you had not watched it, just click the link in description. So in this video I will only unbox the modules of PW. I will give you a full review video after 10 days and I will cover these points in that video. So make sure you subscribe and hit bell icon. Now let's unbox.